Welcome to the topic algae from Plant Kingdom. HS first year biology পৰা লোৱা হৈছে topic to, and at first let's see what are the characteristics of algae. Algae belongs to the kingdom Plantae. They have eukaryotic cells and they bear chlorophyll. As they bear chlorophyll, they can perform photosynthesis and so they are autotrophic. They have simple thalloid structure, that is, they do not have distinct leaves, stems and roots, and they are mainly aquatic. They may be either freshwater or marine organisms. Now let's move on to this table which has been taken from NCERT book. এই টেবলখনত থকা প্ৰত্যেকটো ইনফৰমেশ্যন খুব সহজেৰে মনত ৰাখিবলৈ আমি চেষ্টা কৰিম. So at first, let's see the classes and relate them to their common names. The three classes of algae shown here are Chlorophyceae, which is green algae, Phaeophyceae, which is brown algae, and Rhodophyceae, which is red algae. It's better to remember these classes in alphabetical order, which is given in this table as C, P, and R. It's easy to remember that Chlorophyceae is green algae because chlorophyll is green colored, and we can remember Rhodophyceae as red algae by taking the help of the letter R. After the common names, let's now move on to the major pigments. Chlorophyll A is included in all the three classes, and then B, C, and D are in alphabetical order. The term eryth is related to red algae, so the pigment phycoerythrin belongs to red algae. Now let's move on to the stored foods present in algae. যিকোনো গ্ৰীণ প্লেণ্টৰ দৰেই starch green algae stored food হয়, and Floridian starch belongs to red algae, which again we can relate to the letter R. And যি দুটা থাকি গ'ল, mannitol and laminarin, they belong to brown algae. Now cell wall. Cellulose is present in all the three classes like any other green plant. The only difference comes in brown algae, which also has algin in their cell wall composition. Now let's have a look at flagellar number and also the position of their insertions. Green algae has 2 to 8 equal apical flagella, and brown algae has 2 unequal lateral, while red algae does not have any flagella. Alphabetically, the number of flagella is decreasing, and even the words equal, unequal, apical, lateral are in alphabetical order. Moving on to the last topic, habitat. All the three classes of algae are found in freshwater, brackish water, or salt water. The difference comes in brown algae, which is rarely found in freshwater, and again red algae, which is mostly found in salty water. Freshwaterত থকা red algae এটা example যেটো entrance কাৰণে খুব important এই ভিডিওটোতে আগলৈ দিয়া হ'ব. Next, we are going to see some examples of algae. Chlorophyceae. ইয়াৰ দুটা এক্সাম্পল চাৰা আৰু ক্লামাইডোমোনাছ আমি CH লেটাৰ গিটাৰ হেল্প লৈ মনত ৰাখিব পাৰোঁ. নেক্সট কামছ Phaeophyceae. ইয়াৰ PH আৰু F অৰ প্ৰনাউন্সিয়েশ্যন প্লাছ লাষ্টত থকা US ফিউকাছ আৰু এক্টোকাৰ্পাছ. যিহেতু ব্ৰাউন algae stored food laminarin, so laminaria belongs to brown algae. red algae বা Rhodophyceae বাবে আমি দুটা লেটাৰ মনত ৰাখিব লাগে G আৰু P because ইয়াৰ চাৰিওটা এক্সাম্পল Gracilaria, Gelidium, Porphyra আৰু Polysiphonia G আৰু P ৰে start হৈছে. So now we are done with the examples of algae. Now let's see about an exception. Algae primarily multicellular হয়, but কিছুমান organisms যিবোৰ unicellular but সিহঁতৰ cell wall আছে বাবে সিহঁতক algae বুলি ভবা হৈছিল. Like for example Chlorella and Chlamydomonas, they were considered algae, but since they are unicellular অৰ্থাৎ সিহঁতৰ এটাহে সেল থাকে, so now they are included under the kingdom Protista. লগতে এটা এন্ট্ৰেন্সৰ কাৰণে খুব important point, example of freshwater red algae which is Batrachospermum. This red algae is found in freshwater. Next, I have picked up this diagram from NCERT book. ইয়াত মনত ৰাখিবলগীয়া important কথাকেইটা হ'ল Volvox, হি কলনীত থাকে. 3 parts of brown algae are holdfast, stipe and frond. The algae with air bladder is fucus. So these are the important points to be understood from this diagram. Now let's move on to the uses of algae. 50% carbon dioxide fixation on earth is done by algae. Increase in the level of oxygen in their intermediate environment. Primary producer of many aquatic food cycles. A huge number of algae, almost 70% marine algae, are used as food, for example Porphyra, Laminaria and Sargassum. Hydrocolloids like algin and carrageen are respectively produced by brown algae and red algae. It is because algin is found in the cell wall of brown algae and carrageen again we can relate the letter R. Agar is produced by two algae, Gelidium and Gracilaria. protein food supplement is provided by chlorella. It is a unicellular algae and it is also used by the astronauts in space as food supplement. So that was almost all about algae from NCERT textbook, and I have provided a condensed note here. Now let's come to the fact of the day. The fact of the day is that there are no marine amphibians. That is, all the amphibians are freshwater organisms. Worldot saline water থকা amphibian পোৱা নাযায়, সব freshwater থাকে. So that was all for today's topic. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get simplified explanations of the topics included in HS syllabus. Thanks for watching and I'll be back with another topic.